Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to be talking about loading XML data into the database. Here we have very basic XML file. It is very well structured. On our website we have an article called Advantages and Disadvantages of Working with XML. I recommend you reading that. For example, it's not really necessary to use XML for such a well-structured file, because CSV will take less disk space and it will be much more efficient from processing time point of view. Let's start from creating a transformation. I have already created a source directory and target is connection, which in our case is SQL Server. So let's call it our transformation XML to database. So the source type is XML files, connection name is source. Here we need to select the actual file, and we need to set the tags. So table tag is table, and the record type is record. Here we have our data. In our case, we don't really need to see table and record tags. So let's tweak it. We just check ignore tags checkbox, and they are hidden. Now let's set writer property. So our data target type is SQL Server, and connection name is demo, and the table name is people. Let's also truncate the table before loading the data. Click OK and do the mapping. Okay, mapping is done. So now we are ready to load XML data into SQL Server database. So let's run it. Check the log. No errors. It's good. And we just refresh. So here are our 3 records. Another thing I wanted to mention is that if you have very complex XML file, you may need to transform it, and this is done by using XSLT. So let me just show it to you. So here's our XML file, and you put XSLT here. We do have a separate video for that, and we also have a couple of tutorials which I'm going to put into the video description. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or problems with transforming your XML data, please go to our support forum and post your questions there, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.